దీని ఏమంటాము వర్టికల్ మీథేన్ ఓకే బాండ్ యాంగిల్ 108 minutes okay so tetrahedral structure sp3 hybridization 4 sigma bonds so this is about methane structure the same structure we are going to observe in ethane C2H6 formula so in this structure also we can observe how many sigma bonds are there 7 sigma bonds but each carbon contain sp3 hybridization each carbon having sp3 hybridization but sigma bonds are what 7 sigma bonds are there okay each carbon also hybridization sp3 hybridization understood okay this is about ethane so by help of the ethane molecule we are going to write the conformational isomers so this conformal isomers we can write in two types one is Sahas projection formula second one Neumann projection formula so in Sahas projection formula also known as a ball and stick structure or method so how to write like that you observe here this is a ethane molecule in ethane molecule the structure is known as a eclipse so eclipse you observe here so here this is the carbon this is a carbon first carbon second carbon so this carbon is a what you call front view carbon front view means exactly our face side carbon front view carbon so back side is what rear view carbon what you call rear view so this is a rear view carbon it is a front carbon is a rear view okay rear view carbon right so this is the eclipse means what so what are the hydrogens are there and what this exactly back side of the hydrogen and this hydrogen exactly back side of this hydrogen exactly the back side of the hydrogen so carbon also exactly back side of this one only so this is about eclipse structure what is called eclipse second one is what starboard means just to you rotate this structure first front view carbon you keep aside only so do not change it but next carbon this bond can just rotate like this only so about 120 degrees or 180 degrees you can observe it so then what you observe here so completely the hydrogen this what happened here this starboard structure minimum distance is maintaining okay so this hydrogen will come this side are somewhat they minimize its repulsions okay so when repulsions are minimizes energy will be decreases and stability will be increases so this is the starboard structure importance so then all starboard structures gets more stability because of there is no repulsions and energy will decreases finally get stability so okay so next we observe second one Neumann projection formula in Neumann projection formula we are going to prepare the structure so like that you can observe here so first we take here we are going to observe this Neumann projection formula so here also we can expect the front view carbon and the second one is the rear view carbon so we observe so this is what so where observe your side rear view my side front view carbon understood now so first we are going to prepare this one eclipse structure in eclipse structure so this one of the carbon this is one of the carbon is second carbon okay so this is your side is rear my side front view carbon so this eclipse structure So this is how it will feel like hydrogens. Three hydrogens. Here also three hydrogens are there. Okay. So now, so these three hydrogens are what happened? Exactly backside. Exactly backside. Exactly backside. So that's why these hydrogens may get repulsions. It may get repulsions. So that's why this structure having more energy. So more energy content structure having eclipse structures and stability will low, decreases. It's not unstable structures. Now go for angle of rotation. So already discussed the same definition also. Same angular formula but possible different isomers through different angle of rotation is called conformational isomers. So we are getting the conformational isomers is called what? Staggered. In staggered, just you rotate about 120 degrees we observe. So 120 degrees what happened here? So it will going to minimize its repulsions before we observe eclipse structure. Okay now? So again if you need to rotate like the same, continuously rotating the structure, so we can get the four types of structures. Study we discussed here. One is fully eclipsed structure, second one is Gaussian, third one is staggered, next fourth one is partial eclipsed, and final last structure again same structure will be repeated. Okay na? So here the energy will equal to 0 to 20 degree 20 kilocalories for mole energy in between these two energies. But staggered got 0 degree 0 kilocalories of energy, kilocalories for mole of energy for about in which one? Staggered. But eclipse maximum energy will be there. Gaussian 0.9 kilocalories for more energy. Okay, so this is about the advantage of the staggered structure is more stable structure. Is more stable structure. Is more stable structure. It is a unstable structure. Unstable structure. So like that you observe. But in case of ether only we can expect two only structures. But if in case of what you call in butane. In butane, we can expect four types of structure. Just know what we have been discussed. That is fully eclipsed, partial eclipsed, Gaussian, staggered. These four structures we can expect in butane. Okay, but in ethane only two: eclipse, unstable structure, staggered, stable structure. So this is our the conformational isomers. This is the intermediate first year. This much only is there. If you move in higher education, then only butane related structures are there, but up here is okay. Okay? Right.